Question 1. Which of the following are characteristics of F-type connectors? Select all that apply. A. Coaxial cabling. B. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. C. RG59/RG6 cabling. D. Copper cabling connector. E. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. F. Connector equipped with a screw-on locking mechanism. G. Fiber optic cabling connector. H. Twisted pair cabling. The correct answers are A. Coaxial cabling. B. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. C. RG59/RG6 cabling. D. Copper cabling connector. E. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. F. Connector equipped with a screw-on locking mechanism. Question 2. Which of the following are characteristics of RG6 cabling specifications? Select 3 answers. A. Twisted pair copper cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. D. Coaxial cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. The correct answers are D. Coaxial cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. Question 3. What are some characteristic features of RG59 cabling specification? Select 3 answers. A. Coaxial cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. D. Twisted pair copper cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. The correct answers are A. Coaxial cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. Question 4. Which of the following are characteristics of B and C connectors? Select 3 answers. A. Copper cabling connector. B. Twisted pair cabling. C. Connector equipped with a bayonet-style locking mechanism. D. Fiber optic cabling connector. E. Commonly used with 100 base T network cabling. F. Coaxial cabling. The correct answers are A. Copper cabling connector. C. Connector equipped with a bayonet-style locking mechanism. F. Coaxial cabling. Question 5. Which of the following are examples of D subconnector applications? Select 2 answers. A. USB cables. B. RS-232 cables. C. eSATA cables. D. IDE/PATA cables. E. VGA cables. The correct answers are B. RS-232 cables. E. VGA cables. Question 6. IMAP is used for A. Serving web pages. B. Translating domain names into IP addresses. C. Retrieving email messages from a mail server. D. Sending email messages. The correct answer is C. Retrieving email messages from a mail server. Question 7. What is the function of POP3? A. Email retrieval. B. File exchange. C. Directory access. D. Name resolution. The correct answer is A. Email retrieval. Question 8. Which network protocol enables users to retrieve the contents of an internet page from a web server? A. SNMP. B. HTTP. C. SMTP. D. IMAP. The correct answer is B. HTTP. Question 9. Which of the following describes a system that maps domain names to various types of data, such as numerical IP addresses? A. TCP/IP. B. DNS. C. SQL. D. DHCP. The correct answer is B. DNS. Question 10. The SMTP protocol is used for, select two answers. A. Sending email messages between mail servers. B. Providing name resolution services. C. Serving of web pages. D. Retrieving email messages from mail servers. E. Sending email messages from a client device. The correct answers are A. Sending email messages between mail servers. E. Sending email messages from a client device. Question 11. Telnet, select three answers. A. Encrypts network connection. B. Provides username and password authentication. C. Transmits data in an unencrypted form. D. Does not provide authentication. E. Enables remote login and command execution. The correct answers are B. Provides username and password authentication. C. Transmits data in an unencrypted form. E. Enables remote login and command execution. Question 12. A type of cryptographic network protocol for secure data communication, remote command line login, remote command execution, and other secure network services between two networked computers is known as A. TFTP. B. SSH. C. Telnet. D. RDP. The correct answer is B. SSH. Question 13. What is the function of FTP? A. Email service. B. Directory access. C. Serving of web pages. D. File exchange. The correct answer is D. File exchange. Question 14. Which USB connector type can be used on an Android device for mobile device synchronization? A. USB Mini. B. USB Type A. C. USB Micro. B. D. USB Mini A. E. USB Type B. The correct answer is C. USB Micro B. Question 15. Which of the following are Apple-proprietary connector types that can be used for iOS mobile device synchronization? Select two answers. A. USB-C connector. B. 30-pin dock connector. C. USB Type A connector. D8-pin dock connector, aka lightning connector. E USB Type B connector. The correct answers are B 30-pin dock connector, D 8-pin dock connector, aka lightning connector. Question 16. Which of the following are examples of universal connection types that enable mobile device synchronization? A. IEEE 802.11. B. USB-C. C. Cellular. D. Bluetooth. E. IEEE 802.3. F. All of the above. The correct answer is F. All of the above. Question 17. Examples of mobile device synchronization methods for Apple iOS devices include, select all that apply. A. iTunes. B. OneDrive. C. Remote Disk. D. iCloud. E. Dropbox. The correct answers are A. iTunes. D. iCloud. Question 18. An authentication subsystem that enables a user to access multiple, connected system components, such as separate hosts on a network, after a single login on only one of the components is commonly called A. Single sign-on, SSO. B. AAA framework. C. Network access control, NAC. D. Multi-factor authentication. The correct answer is A. Single sign-on, SSO. Question 19. Which of the following is a way to create private encrypted network connections on a mobile device? A. WLAN. B. VPN. C. WPAN. D. VLAN. The correct answer is B. VPN. Question 20. A unique number used to identify a mobile network phone user is A. N. A. SSID. B. Mapping. C. IMSI. D. IMEI. The correct answer is C. IMSI. Question 21. Which of the following is the unique number used to identify a physical mobile device? A. Mapping. B. IMEI. C. SSID. D. IMSI. The correct answer is B. IMEI. Question 22. A database on a mobile device containing bands, subbands, and service provider IDs allowing the device to establish connection with the right cell phone tower is called APRL, BRIS, CPRI, DPII. The correct answer is APRL. Question 23. Which of the following can be used as a reference during a mobile device update process? APRI, BRIS, CPII, DPRL. The correct answer is APRI. Question 24. Exchange Online, A cloud-based version of the Exchange server is an email service from A. Apple, B. Google, C. Yahoo, D. Microsoft. The correct answer is D. Microsoft. Question 25. Gmail is a web-based email service provided by A. Yahoo, B. Microsoft, C. Google, D. Apple. The correct answer is C. Google.